get the original of this product for you. At the end of the day, it's not like those people, they know it or they intentionally bought you fake one, but it's just where they went to buy at that particular time and they send it over to you. At the end of the day, it didn't work for you, or it causes you reaction, it turns out to be fake. So these are what I've already bought. I bought, like, you know, it's very expensive when you DHL from far away to UK, but I bought two. I had 2 cartons of it, so you can see what I mean. I have 2 cartons of that, but when I bought it in, I had to send WhatsApp message to my friends, my colleagues, my people in on my other WhatsApp page. So, and they they sent message and they all chose what they want, which I posted out to them. So this is what I've got left. So I'm going to run you through this. You people are familiar with this. People have done loads and loads of review on them, and I'm going to be talking on it, but I just want to introduce what I'll be selling on my website. But when I have time, I'm going to be selling on my website, but with time I'm going to take this stuff out and put on my second website where you guys can go and purchase, because Azamab really is my own brand, which I will be selling, my brand, my own products, which I went to the school, so, and I have my clients, so, and my own website is like getting chopped up, so I really need to reorganize it and make it more perfect. So I want to concentrate the Azamab on my own product, while the other website, I'm going to be leaving the link when I'm ready with it, where you guys can also go and purchase this stuff, and as well as Fair and White product. So thank you so much guys for your support. I really appreciate you guys big time. I really do appreciate you. For my returnees, thank you. My oldies, my new subscriber, I love you so much. And those people I've done cream for, for those people that have tried out my brand, big thumbs up to you guys. Thank you for returning. And those people I've made the Pro Mix for, Fair and White Pro Mix, thank you for coming back again for more. I really appreciate you, which means when you get the original product of Fair and White, you get a good, amazing complexion. You need that yellow tone. You don't want pale or white complexion. That yellow tone stand out in the crowd, so that is what you want. So guys, I want to introduce this product to you. My product, my brand is amazing. I'm going to be doing half caste, Snow White. I'm going to be introducing my chocolate for caramel, dark complexion skin. So you have all kind of skin shade and skin type that will suit your skin. In today's video, I want to introduce this. I don't know if you guys know this, but sorry, don't mind my finger. I don't know. We are all indoor. So this is Light Up. This product is amazing. This is the small one, and this is the big one. You can see the small one is like orange color, while the big one is like a purple color. So it has purple lid, and this one has a like an orange lid, so which is an amazing cream which you can use to Pro Mix. If you want to go like 2-3 shade lighter, all you need to do is activate with the serum. So this is the serum. You activate with the serum, and also I didn't get the gel or any tube cream you can add into it, but I've got the glutathione injection cream supreme with vitamin A and C. We all know this product. I bought like this pack. This is 12 pack on its own. Each is one, and I've got 12 pack here. I bought 4 of this pack, which is 48. So, and it's all sold out. 3 pack is sold out. I've got just this left. So you can actually use this tube cream and add into your Light Up. So quantity, like I said, matters. So I'm going to be doing a video on how you can mix all these products. So the next one is Nano half caste whitening body lotion. Wow, I bought 24 of these, but I think I've got 6 left now. So you guys should hurry You guys should hurry and come get yours. This is the Nature's Secret with argan oil, the serum. This is amazing. You do that lightening complexion. Is an amazing serum that can actually get rid of dark knuckle, dark nail, hair bow, help lighten your complexion when activated with a base cream. You don't want to use it on its own, but it's also good that you can take one of these, put it in your bag as your hand cream. For those of you that wash your hands frequently, especially those, a big shout out to my nurse watching me. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for this period of COVID-19, for being amazing. You guys are amazing. I love you guys so much. And the doctors, a big shout out for those of you helping out, saving life out there. God bless you. So this will really help you to help treat your dark hand knuckle, really. Yeah. So I've got the Koji Clear. This is an amazing fast action cream, tooth cream. Is an amazing one. It will help you with your dark knuckle. It will help you with any blemishes, dark spots. So, and when you want to use this to get a good result, you can use it with this base cream, light up and add some. I'm going to be talking on how you can use all these products. This is Snow White Supreme Skin Whitening Lotion. This will whiten up your skin fast. It's amazing. It's the big one. They've got the smaller type. I bought the smaller type, but it's gone. So I bought this 326. So the 3 is gone. I've got just this left. So I bought this as well. White Now, but the White Now, the serum is already gone. People took it. So sorry guys, I've got this. This is an amazing whitening cream. This is so amazing. It lightens you. You see, this is an amazing lightening milk which will lighten up your complexion. It's amazing to give you that good complexion. It's made with fruit acid. It's made with beta carotene. It's also made with plant extract. So it's an amazing skin lightening milk. So we have this. This is the extra whitening lotion made with papaya. It whitens up your skin and it has SPF 10, so to help prevent ultraviolet ray. It also helps prevent you from sun rays because of the SPF 10 in it. I've got a Pharmadem. Pharmadem, we know the benefit of this product. It's an amazing one that will help you with any skin irritation, skin condition. Also, when you add it into your cream, it also helps lighten your up. This is the Egyptian with argan oil. This is a lightening serum that you can also add to boost this cream. I'm going to be doing a video on how you can activate this product to get that maximum complexion, but you don't want to overuse it. But they are skin friendly, they are good on the skin. They will give you that skin yellow, they will give you that yellow skin tone when you use it in the right way. So I'm going to be doing a video on how you can mix this product to get that defined complexion that you want. Thank you so much guys, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and bye.